Hijama, it is a sunnah of our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. And hijama, it basically means cupping, wherein a cup is placed on the body and the dirty blood is sucked out of the body. It is a sunnah of our beloved Prophet Muhammad, may peace and blessings be upon him. Our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, hijama was done upon him. And there are several ahadith of our beloved Prophet Muhammad, may peace and blessings be upon him, which stress upon hijama, that is cupping. And this is an ancient practice. This was done by the Chinese. Previously, metal cups were used. Then later on, people started using cups of glass. Now, what are the medical benefits of hijama? It is an alternative treatment and it helps to reduce pain in the neck, pain in the legs, pain in the back, pain in the knees, pain in the arms. It also can help with people or individuals who have GI, gastrointestinal issues. And at the same time, if a person he has irritation of the bowels, cupping can be a good form of treatment. And the doctors many a times they recommend a person to do cupping, and it is good for the overall health of a person's body. To do cupping, it is a sunnah of our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. It has numerous benefits and it purifies, it helps to remove the dirty blood from the body.